Blessed day, amazing Atomians. I'm so happy to see you all today. For the old-time members, my presentation will serve as a review. But for the new members, I would like to tell you and encourage you to listen carefully. At sabi nga po ng chairman natin kanina, let's learn more about Atomy. So at the end of this lecture, I hope that you will get to know more, to appreciate, and to be more confident in sharing the products of Atomy. I am Diamond Master Christian Santo Domingo from Baguio Cup Center, your product presenter this afternoon. When I go to the public market in Baguio, meron po akong paborito na store tagline na naririnig paminsan-minsan pag namamalengke ako. Ang sabi nila doon is, bargain nice, mura nice, very nice. Napapangiti ako pag naririnig ko yon. Pero dito sa Atomy, mas bongga po ang ating product tagline because it says, absolute quality, absolute price. Nung una kong narinig to, kagaya ninyo, yung mga first-time attendees dito, nung una kong narinig ang absolute quality, absolute price, sabi ko, ang yabang naman ni Atomy, absolute talaga? Sabi kong ganon. But how they explained it was, sa present technology, yun po yung ginagamit nila, yung best and latest technology sa ating mga produkto. At sa quality na yon, tatapatan nila ng pinakamababang presyo and that is the absolute price. They say, and we say, Atomy is a lifestyle. Why? Because we are offering basic necessities that would range from health, beauty, personal care, home care, and food. So, araw-araw natin ginagamit yan, nako-consume natin yung mga produkto na yan. So, yung rate of reordering din ng mga produkto natin ay napaka-taas. It's because we are assured of customers' satisfaction here in our company. Kung minsan, nag-e-effort tayo. Ang sabi natin, bibili ako ng pampaganda. Pero, do you really spend money or effort for your skincare or you end up having skin scare? Yung nagpapaganda ka sana, pero bakit nakapangit yata yung produktong nabili ninyo? So this afternoon, I will show you 3 products of Atomy that will give you the absolute skincare. These are the basic skincare routine that we need to do daily. Cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. And we have products here in Atomy to address to this. At ang assurance natin dito sa mga produkto ni Atomy, we pass the Korean and German Dermatest standards. And we are offering organic products. Why do we use whitening products? Yun po bang mga morena lang na kagaya natin dito sa Pilipinas? Yung atat na magkaroon ng whitening products? No. Because even light-skinned individuals use whitening products for the purpose of lightening skin tone, fade freckles, and to get rid of age spots. So we wish to lighten the skin or provide an even skin tone by reducing the melanin concentration on our skin. And there are 2 types. We have the chemical base and organic base. So please check the slide here. These are the potential side effects when we use chemical-based whitening products. I will just read po yung nasa baba kasi yan din yung naging dahilan para medyo matakot tayong sumubok sa mga chemical-based products. The potentially harmful ingredients are hydroquinone and mercury. People who have used products with these ingredients suffered side effects that include rashes, facial swelling, and permanent skin discoloration. And this is a warning from FDA. And I know of one person na sumubok ding pagandahin ang kanyang muka na nasira yung muka niya because of a Rejuve set. Hindi niya pinangalanan yung Rejuve set na yon, pero medyo kumapal yung skin niya na nag-darken. And up to this time, that's like 2 years ago na nagkaroon siya ng negative reaction with that product, until now, kahit anong ilagay niyang produkto sa face niya, nagre-react yung kanyang muka. So, saan ninyo isusugal ang ganda nyo? Sa chemical-based ba or sa organic-based na meron tayo dito sa Atomy? And so, this afternoon, I am proud to present to you our Atomy Absolute Snow. So let us dive into the product feature and enjoy the snow. I mean, the show. So the first feature is the home derma. Pwede nyo na pong iuwi sa inyong bahay ang derma care na nakukuha natin sa mga professionals. Yung pupunta ka sa beauty salon para makuha ang derma care na to, pwede nyo nang iuwi sa pamamagitan ng pagbili ng ating snow set. The second feature is the skin science. We are assured and we are very proud here in Atomy that our company is doing its best na ibigay yung best and latest technology para ibigay yung best and safest whitening and tone-up care. And we get to enjoy the functions of this set sa pamamagitan po nung 10 inilagay nila na ingredients dito, which is the third feature. So isa-isahin nating aralin yung ating mga ingredients. The first one is the Cell Active Brightening Code. Maaaring kasama kayo sa napaisip, bakit malayong mas mahal ang Cell Active Absolute Set compared sa Snow Set? Parehong nasa Absolute line. Pag sinabi nilang Absolute line, cell active siya, may stem cell siya. Kasi ang price nito is 11,100 yung Absolute Set. Just a review that in our Absolute Set, 3 code po ang ginamit nila doon. We have the All Might Code, Lifting Code, and the Brightening Code. Brightening code lang po ang makikita natin dito sa ating snow set. So dito po makikita ninyo yung 3 ingredients na ginamit nila for whitening care. And they still use the cell-active technology that would quickly and exactly deliver the active ingredients that is needed in the problem areas on our face. The next one would be the Oxygeskin. With the use of Nasturtium extract, nagbibigay ito ng high level of oxygen sa ating muka. Ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon ng proper hydration and moisture retention ang ating muka sa pamamagitan ng ingredient na ito. So kung makikita ninyo, there is 7.9% increase sa hydration ng ating muka. And then, matutuwa tayo dahil dinagdagan pa nila ng 2 ingredients that would help in controlling the onset of tyrosinase, which is a melanin pigment enzyme. So ito po yung nag-a-activate nung dark spots natin sa ating muka. Pero dahil sa alpha-bisobolol and our glabidrin, hindi po yan tutuloy. So ang trabaho nitong 2, iniiwasan niya. Parang preventive maintenance po sila. Okay, so yun ang trabaho ng 2 ingredients na to. And the next 2 ingredients, which are the niacinamide and our ethyl ascorbic acid, iba naman yung trabaho nila. Ginagawa nila is to lighten yung existing na po na dark spots sa ating muka. So you can see on the slide kung ano pa yung mga posibleng maitutulong ng niacinamide and ethyl ascorbic acid sa ating balat. The next one would be the wintergreen extract. At this has high salicylic acid content. At malalaman natin yung trabaho niyan when we reach the toner presentation later on. Yung Illumicin naman, yan po ang nakakatulong to lighten the pigments that we get as we age across time. Nagdadarken po ang ating balat at yung Illumicin po ang tutulong sa atin with that. The next one would be the carotenoids, the phytoin and phytofluin. These are our UV protection. So makikita natin that we have the defensive whitening na nagagamit natin during the day with our day cream and regenerative whitening with our night cream. So pag-aaralan pa natin yan mamaya sa mismong product. And then the next one would be the Paeonia luminar. Ito po ang nakakatulong sa atin because of antioxidant effect. It would lessen yung melanin production sa ating balat. Bakit kaya inisa-isa ni Atomy na ipakita sa atin yung bawat ingredient na to unlike sa ibang sets? Because this is the assurance na hinanap talaga ni Atomy yung magagandang ingredients para makuha natin yung whitening effect na gusto natin. Okay, the next feature would be the all-day, all-night professional care. Buong araw hanggang gabi, babantayan ka ng snow set. How will you use the set? During the day, you use your toner, your serum, and your day cream. Pero, a reminder, please use sunscreen. And then, at night, after you wash your face, you use your toner and or your dark spot corrector or serum, whichever you like. That would go first. And then, your night cream. The next feature would be the clinical trial results with scientifically proven brightening effect. Ipinapakita ni Atomy dito na bawat produkto meron po talagang trabaho para sa ating skin. But when you use the whole set, ito po yung results. This is the result when you use the whole set, yung synergy effect. There is confirmed reduction of pigmentation and confirmed improvement of dark spots, blemishes, and freckles. So yun po, makikita ninyo sa picture na may nagbago doon sa pigmentation sa ating skin. So, pag-aralan natin ngayon, yung bawat produkto sa set. Kailangan po ba talaga na kukumpletohin ko yung buong set? Yes, kasi meron silang mga special works para sa atin. The first one is our snow toner. Our snow toner has saffron extract. Yung saffron extract na yan ang magbibigay ng proper or instant hydration sa ating mga mukha. And how do you use your toner? Pagkatapos nyo pong linisan ang inyong mukha with your evening care, dry your face, and then put an ample amount on your fingertips and apply on your face with light tapping motion para magkaroon po ng better absorption. And I learned this, nag-share sa akin si Ma'am Lorraine about the triple layering of toner. Kasi narinig niya po ito sa ibang Atomians abroad na para daw mas makuha natin yung benefit sa mga susunod na products na ilalagay natin sa mukha natin, they use the triple layering. 3 beses silang maglalagay ng toner before the other products. So, sabi ko, doon sa saffron, makukuha natin yung quick hydration and nourishment sa ating balat. Ano naman yung maglilinis ng ating pores? This is the task of the salicylic acid that was mentioned earlier on. It will soften the dead skin cells in our pores, it will clean the pores, and it will also help in the production or inhibition of the production of sebum by the oil glands. So yan po ang makukuha natin kasama ito. This is a clinical result. First time nyo palang gamitin ang inyong snow toner, makikita nyo na agad ang instant exfoliation. So minsan pa lang yon. The next one would be our Atomy Snow Serum. Itong ating snow serum, natutuwa ako dahil it would give yung luminous finish sa ating skin. At malalaman natin mamaya kung ano ang trabaho nun. Because of the BioWhiten, binibigyan niya tayo ng protection sa ating skin dahil nagkakaroon siya ng refraction work sa ating skin. So, paano natin gagamitin ang ating serum? After you apply the toner, maglagay kayo sa inyong fingertips and then scatter on your face and then gentle massaging po. Huwag po ninyong panggigilan ang inyong mga muka. Gentle lang po ang massage sa ating muka. Ito po yung sinabi ko kanina, the instant light refraction improvement. At hindi ko to nakita sa ibang lectures na ginawa ko about moisturizers. Nakita ko dito that, and then I did some readings on this, that when our skin is dull and dry, and then the sunlight will strike your face, maa-absorb ng skin natin yung UV rays. And then it will create heat on our face at doon magsisimula yung damage. Pero dahil sa luminous finish ng ating serum, nire-refract niya yung light. It will scatter the light, hindi tutuloy yung UV light sa ating skin. So, hindi magkakaroon ng damage sa ating balat. So, that's the work of our serum. The next one, ito ang cute ang packaging nila with the dark spot corrector because it has a metal roller. Inaral ko, bakit ba kailang metallic yung roller? Bakit hindi na lang bato or plastic? A metal roller would help to boost yung circulation doon sa area kung saan kayo nagro-roll. And then, it will also help to penetrate. Yung mga products makaka-penetrate because of proper circulation on that area. Ano naman ang inilagay nila dito sa ating corrector? They added the Alpha Floor Giga White, which is a combination of 7 Swiss Alpine plants. Itong mga plants na to, they can withstand harsh environment. At dito sa mundo natin, marami talagang harsh. So ito yung panlaban natin. So what will you do? Kung paano i-apply to? Pag bagong bukas lang po yan, huwag kayong matakot na bakit walang lumalabas. When you press it, 3 beses na squeeze siguro yan, may lalabas na po na cream dun sa tip ng inyong roller. And then you scatter it where they are needed, dun sa may mga dark spots talaga. And then gently roll yung ating product. And then it would then be applied doon sa dark spots na kailangang i-correct. Ito ang technology na napaka-special naman dito sa product na ito. They use the layer by layer technology. Pinagsasama ng technology na to yung mga water-attracting ingredients na magkakasama sila, and then the next layer would be the oil-attracting ingredients para hawakan nila yung active ingredients para dumikit sa ating balat. Okay, the next one would be the lamellar structure technology. Itong lamellar structure, it is similar to the lipid of our dermis. So kung pareho sila, ibig sabihin, mas madali siyang kumapit. Mas madaling mag-penetrate yung product sa ating balat. So kung yung unang technology, para kumapit, yung isa naman para sa deeper absorption or penetration of the product. The next one would be our day cream. Ito yung protection ninyo against UV light. So this one has inositol, which is strong, hydrophilic. Nag-a-attract po ito ng tubig. That's why it will always retain the moisture on your face. Tapos dinagdagan pa nila ng Snow Lotus extract. This has anti-inflammatory, anti-aging effects. Next one, makikita ninyo kung ano naman yung trabaho nito para sa inyo pag ginamit ninyo. This has instant skin temperature or cooling effect. Dahil mainit during the day, ito po, matutulungan tayo ng technology na ginamit nila specifically for this product. The last one would be the night cream. Etong night cream na to, it will also help you to rejuvenate your skin kung ano man yung na-damage during the day ng UV light. Yung ating snow cream naman for night cream ang magko-correct. So this is richer in texture, itong ating cream, because of the collagenere. Yung collagenere na yan na dinagdag nila, yan po ang nagbibigay ng elasticity sa ating skin because they will synthesize or produce elastin in our skin. So this completes the whole set of Atomy. Sabi ko nga kanina, saan nyo isusugal ang ganda nyo? Doon po ba sa mura na pwedeng makasira sa inyong mga muka or yung organic at safe with the best technology that we can get only in Atomy? Okay? So I hope that we will all be very confident in using the products of Atomy so that we can all get that healthy glow with our Atomy Absolute Snow. And this is a reminder that when you use your snow, you have to use your sunscreen. Why? Because of the damages that are done by the UV rays. UVA, A for aging, UVB, B for burn. Nakikita ninyo dun sa kabilang side would be the long-term effects or the damages that the UV light will do on your skin. They've shown this picture of a driver na iisa ang rota niya araw-araw for long years. Yung part ng mukha niya na hindi naaarawan, malinis walang sira yung mukha niya. Pero yung part na naaarawan lagi, nagkakaroon ng dark spots and wrinkles. Ganon ka-damaging po ang ating araw. Pero kung sa tingin ninyo, kailangan yung umiwas ng sunburn, kailangan nyo. Mas importante po na bantayan ninyo ang skin ninyo from aging. At paano nyo malalaman kung merong protection ang binibili ninyong sunscreen? It is with the PA label. PA with 1+ sign means some UVA protection. 2+ sign would be moderate. The 3 would be high. And the highest or extremely high would be the 4+ signs for PA. Next would be the SPF. When we say SPF, the higher the number, the more protection that we get from the UVB, yung nakakasunog po sa mukha natin. But please look at this slide closely. SPF 15 blocks 93% of UVB. SPF 30 blocks 97%. So from 15 to 30, 4% ang naidagdag na protection. Pero dito sa SPF 50, it blocks 98%. Tignan ninyo yung difference. 30 to 50, 1% lang po ang naidagdag. Kaya ang question, bakit hindi tayo gumamit nung may mga label na SPF 75, SPF 100 na mas mahal? Dahil it will not actually give you a significantly greater protection kaysa doon sa SPF 50. And we should, use our product, lalo na pag alam ninyong mataas ang UV index sa inyong lugar, please reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. O kayo nagsuswimming kayo, pinapawisan kayo, mag-reapply kayo. And then, we have here our products available in the PH Mall, yung ating regular sunscreen. It has 2 shades. You can choose from beige or white. It is non-sticky, kaya kahit na mainit dito sa Maynila, sa mga maiinit na lugar, hindi po tayo mag-aalala dahil hindi man lalagkit ang pakiramdam natin. It is also silky in texture, kaya madali po siyang i-apply sa skin. It has double filtering agents of organic and inorganic blockers. It has double protection from UVA and UVB. Kaya po, broad spectrum ang nakalagay dyan. And then, no white turbidity. Napansin nyo ba, pag nag-outing kayo, may picture taking. Makikita nyo kung sino yung naka-sunscreen. Kasi parang gray yung kulay niya. Pero dito sa ating sunscreen, wala kayong mapapansin na nag-sunscreen ang isang tao pag atomy ang gamit niya. Kasi after 5 minutes na nag-set sa balat natin, hindi na yan mapapansin. And it is mild. Why? Because of the ingredients that they added. Now, I just want you to take a screenshot kung gusto nyo pang mapag-aralan kung ano nga ba ang trabaho nitong mga ingredients na dinagdag nila na mas makakatulong dito sa ating sunscreen. The next sunscreen that we have here is our Derma Calming Sunstick. Kung meron po kayong kakilala na very sensitive yung skin nila, acne-prone skin, ito po yung i-push ninyo. And it has a good packaging na hindi nyo na kailangang ilagay sa mga daliri ninyo para i-apply sa mukha ninyo. Especially yung mga sensitive face. Because it comes in stick form. I-apply nyo lang pong ganyan sa inyong mga mukha. So it is SPF 50+. So 98+ protection from UVB. And then PA with the highest protection, 4+ sign. Let's check the other features. It has soothing effect. Dahil ito po ang nakakatulong because of the anti-inflammatory function of calamine. It would also help to brighten and even out our complexion, and it would also have that matte finish. Kasi yung ibang sunscreen natin dito sa Atomy, posibleng nakagamit din kayo ng ibang sunscreen from Korea, it has that shiny finish sa ating skin. But this one, it is matte finish pero hindi po malagkit ang itsura nito. Okay, so I want to remind you again that it is very important to use your sunscreen when you use the Absolute Snow Set. And stay away from too much exposure to sunlight when undergoing the corrective stages of your skin. Most especially kung meron na yung kinakorek nyo na mga melasma sa inyong muka. Kinokorek nyo, naghihil pa lang siya, tapos ibibilad nyo sa matinding araw, masasaktan ulit yung balat ninyo. So this afternoon, I just gave you information. I want you to own every information that you will learn today. Own it and then use this as a tool para palaganapin ang inyong business, which is a global business. So, you have to choose wisely, use organic, and be safe. And I leave you once again with this line. In Atomy, we do not just share goodness and beauty, gaya ng pinag-usapan natin kanina. Because in the next lectures, you will know that we go beyond, and that is to share success. Thank you very much, and to God be all the glory.